Hello all. What is today's topic? English grammar. Very important topic. Do you know to be verbs? For example, I do in present, past and future, there are different verbs. Everyone must learn these verbs. Now let me explain. Present, past and future both are in different columns. Let me explain present tense, first column. Past and future, I shall explain later. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Present finished. Let me explain past verbs. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. They were. Past finished. Let me explain future. I will be. You will be. He will be. She will be. We will be. They will be. Hope you all understood present, past and future verbs. You should practice all these verbs so that you can develop your skills. Without practice, it would be difficult to improve. In future, grammar would be a problem. So please practice grammar effectively. Please see the video and keep learning. Thank you.